Elon Musk is the world's richest man. He's also probably the best entrepreneur of all time. But Elon Musk just made $23 billion in a single day. This is a wild story, so pay attention. Obviously, Elon is the CEO of Tesla. It's the leading electric vehicle company in the world. It's worth over $1 trillion. And yesterday, they reported their earnings. Now, they blew Wall Street expectations out of the water. They reported $18.8 billion, and their adjusted earnings per share was at $3.22. They also reported about $5 billion in adjusted EBITDA and about $3 billion in GAAP income. This is a monster of a company. Now, how the hell did Elon make $23 billion in one day? Well, he's got a very unique compensation plan that's all predicated on the company doing well, both from a stock price and financial performance. Now, as a reminder, Elon's compensation, he gets $0 as a salary, and his pay package requires that Tesla's market cap and financial growth hits a series of escalating targets. The better they do, the more Elon gets paid. And so when Tesla reported that $18 billion, and they went ahead and they reported $5 billion of EBITDA, combined with the previous 3 quarters results, that surpassed some recent milestones that trigger vesting of the 9th, 10th, and 11th of 12 tranches of options that were granted to Musk in his 2018 pay package. Basically, Elon Musk bet on himself back in 2018, and now he's getting a bag because of it. If we look at exactly how these options work, Tesla went ahead and said, look, you get 8.4 million Tesla shares at $70.01 each. It's about a 90% discount to Wednesday's closing price. And according to the current stock price, those 3 option tranches, those will give Elon about $23 billion, or about $7.7 billion per tranche, in profit after he goes and executes it. Now, of course, he can't simply just take the stock and immediately dump it. There's some rules around this. He's got to hold the stock for at least 5 years, and the board's got to sign off on all of this. But Elon Musk, the world's richest man, just made $23 billion in a single day because of a 2018 pay package where he bet on himself. Now, if we take a look at the Tesla stock price, we can see that it has just been up and to the right since January 1st of 2020. The stock continues to do well. Elon continues to get paid more and more money. Then if we take a look at what Elon's been saying, well, he's more bullish now than he's ever been. The exact quote is that the future is very exciting. I've never been more optimistic or excited about the future of Tesla than I am right now. And then, of course, if we start to think about why this may be happening, Tesla's the leader in electric vehicles, but they're actually benefiting from the more advertising that their competitors do, the better Tesla does. What do I mean? Well, during the Super Bowl, GM, BMW, Nissan, Kia, and Polestar, they all had electric vehicle ads in the Super Bowl, and Tesla had none. Actually, Tesla has $0 for their marketing budget. But as you can see there, Tesla's sales absolutely exploded because their competitors were running ads. Everyone knows Tesla's the best electric vehicle company in the world. And so if their competitors convince people to buy electric vehicles, they're just funneling their customers to go to Tesla. If that continues to happen, Tesla will continue to do well. And if Tesla continues to do well, Elon Musk will continue to get paid over and over and over again. $23 billion in a single day is insane. But he's been working on this stuff for decades. And we need as many builders and problem solvers in our society as possible. Kudos to Elon. I hope they pay him even more money, because what he's doing is quite impressive. Hey you, did you like this video? Great, we make 5 of them a day and post them here on this channel. Make sure you subscribe, like the video, and see you next time.